I don't know.
Box?
Which box?
This one. You got it, Mommy. Right here. Okay, Mommy. As you see, one of these trucks. This box. There's a hill, Mommy. And the trucks go up the hill. Going up. You're going back on your own, Mommy. Oh, wait. So, I thought was the way wrong. Mommy, what happened? You put glue all over my truck.
I didn't put glue on your truck.
Mommy, look. And there's a hole, Mommy. Ew. Look, there's a hole, Mommy,
Oh.
in this box.
You'd be like,
Ew. Mommy, where are you?
where's Logan?
Peekaboo. Found you. Aha! You right there.
Mm-hmm.
How are we gonna get all of my trucks? I'm gonna hold them in. The stuff the one goes through the hole, inside the hole. Look, Mommy, did you see that blue car? And it's going into the hole. I'm gonna blast it. If it blasts off. Oh, to blast off?
You gotta do a countdown first.
Okay, let's do it, Mommy.
You do it.
3, 2, 1. Blast off! You flying away. Woohoo! Let him go. And it's gonna stop. Okay, everyone. Now we can go outside. The truck is airplane to float into the water puddle. Oh, okay, Mommy. Now we have green, we have blue, now we have red. Oh. We have one more truck, yellow. That's all for Mommy.
No, there's 2 more hiding.
Do you see him? I see one. A 2. Better. I had 2 trucks behind the boxes. Okay, Mommy, and here's a scoop ball. And scoop 2. Here's the box. 1. Okay, Mommy, let's see if we count how many of all my trucks.
Oh my
All the
goodness.
box. Let's see if we'll come out, Mommy. Let's see. Count 1 trucks. 10 trucks to push them out of the box. Okay, this is your favorite one.
Thank
And
you.
what's my favorite one in the box? I like the blue one.
Good
Look,
job.
we have 2 blue ones
Yeah.
together. Blues together. Look, and here's my back.
Oh,
you
here's
float up
my
into
back.
if you float up into the
We don't throw trucks, buddy. Oh, fly.
I do whoop de whoop. Don't let it drop. I got it. And it's going out to your pants. I'm back in your blue truck. Mommy, look. That's all. Oh, Mommy, look. Where's my blue truck going, Mommy? And it's going away. I'm back here. I got you. If you do a trick, which one of these trucks do you like, Mommy? It's your favorite one.